The wind is too strong. I must protect my light.
Hello, little monk. It is dark, and I am lost. Could you please spare some light?
No. My candle is almost out. If I share, my light will get weaker. Find your own fire. Whoops! Oh no! It's gone! It's pitch black!
Here you go, sir. Thank you, Master. It is so warm. Anne, did my flame get dimmer when I shared it?
No, it is still bright.
Happiness is the same. It never decreases by being shared. In fact, it makes the darkness disappear faster.
I understand. Let me light up the whole temple. So bright, so beautiful.
Giving is receiving.
Subscribe to share the light.